Hi there. Are you looking for a high-quality, sales-converting, mobile-responsive, and user-friendly website? Welcome home. By the way, my name is Praise, and I'm the CEO and Creative Director for Zionake. Since 2008, I have had the pleasure of working with outstanding clients like you, delivering exceptional service that consistently exceeds expectations and helps achieve business goals. I'm based in the beautiful city of Austin, Texas, known as the live music capital of the world. If you're ever in the area, please let's connect. I've successfully completed over 2,500 projects and received more than 1,000 five-star reviews. To ensure excellent delivery, we offer unlimited revisions, top-notch quality, excellent communication. Ready to get started? Our 5-step process is simple. Step 1, share your project requirements. Step 2, we review and respond with an amazing price offer. Step 3, once you confirm price, we send sales summary and checklist to get started. Step 4, once we receive everything needed, we send you our offer. Step 5, once you accept, hooray, your project kicks off. Thanks for your time, and let's get to business.